In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit business hours on Fresha, giving you a comprehensive guide in this 2025 tutorial. Let's jump straight into it by navigating to Fresha either on your web browser at fresha.com or by launching the Fresha app on your mobile device. Once there, you'll want to enter your email and password to log in. Make sure you are accessing your business account as opposed to the client view to ensure you have all the necessary permissions for making the changes. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. You should see a menu positioned in the lower left corner. Click on Settings from this menu. Here, depending on your specific interface version, you'll either select Business Info or Business Hours. Both lead you to the section where you manage your operating hours, holidays, and special openings. This is where you'll make all necessary updates. Inside the business hours section, you'll notice a table displaying each day of the week. Click on the specific day you wish to edit. This is where you can set your opening and closing times. It's pretty straightforward. Enter the times that align with your business operations for each day. If there are days when your business is closed, you can either leave the time slots blank or use the toggle to mark those days as closed. Once you've made all necessary adjustments for each day of the week, it's crucial to save your changes. Find the Save button or Update option at the bottom of the screen and click it. By saving these changes, your new business hours will be immediately updated for clients booking online. This ensures they have access to the most accurate information about when your business is open. Remember that regularly updating and maintaining accurate business hours is essential not just for your clients, but also for optimizing your business's operational efficiency. That wraps up the steps for editing business hours in Fresha. The process is made to be user-friendly, ensuring business owners can smoothly manage their online presence and keep their clients well informed. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. For more helpful guides, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Until next time, keep those calendars updated and happy scheduling.